Noah, look.
We're all there.
We are.
Hey Noah, are you looking at the castle? Look. Watch when you turn around the corner.
I see Disney! Come over here!
I would like to.
He's always yearned to be a country kid. I always wanted to be one of the fellas.
What do you think?
What about you?
I've always wanted to try new things and make new friends. It's really the grand celebration. Hang on a minute, baby.
What's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. What's up, Noah? Good to see you, bro. Where are you at?
Winnie the Pooh, we did Dumbo, we did the choo-choo train ride.
All right, we have to go get a cinnamon roll.
They're big, too.
Oh, they're delicious. You get the cinnamon roll and extra icing.
Oh, yeah.
John, we'll come get one after we ride.
Yeah, it's gonna be an afternoon snack.
Yeah, wow. Did you eat my Mr. Crab? Honey? With Mom and Dad. Caroline, he's already tried to trade me for you. Can you believe it? We're finally at Disney. On the Little Mermaid. Yeah.
Seats galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20.
Can't see anything.
That is their blocks.
Yeah.
Okay, we got blocks.
Yeah, we found them.
Oh, look. You can hit them, Noah. You hit them with your fingers. Look at the bell. Do you see the bell up there? Watch. You see that? You can ring the bells. All right, Noah, have fun. Here we go.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Look down there, there's a dog. A puppy. Who's gonna rock the fastest?
I don't know.
I go nuts.
One day, in the 100-acre wood, the east wind traded places with me.
Your favorite?
And everyone gathered together to say,
All the different animals back in that store. Yeah, it's such a Jack.
You ask her about her sisters?
What about them? Yeah, what about them?
Oh, I know. Noah, he's fine. Noah, what is that pose?
They're gone.
And they're all. And hey, I got a picture of the 3 of them. That's all I care about. Okay, no, Matthew.
For your safety, remain seated.
Hands, arms, feet, legs,
standing.
and other
No
appendages
standing.
inside your car. And please supervise younger beings. Stay
Down Main Street.
Our celestial
Such a
symbol of
joke for him.
interplanetary harmony and fellowship.
Be such a good
Carson Dahmer, I don't really have to think.
I see Disney.
Take the time to see
Cinderella's
this show.
castle.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
This is your first roller coaster.
It is?
Yeah, what do you think about it?
Are you excited?
What's it gonna be
You ready
like?
to do this?
Yes.
What's it gonna be like?
It'll be like fun.
Fast?
Yes.
So let's do it.
What kind of face are you gonna make?
I don't know.
Show me your face. Yeah.
So let's do it.
Let's do it.
So what rows are we on? Do it. We can take it off. We can turn. Here we go. You put your hands up. He didn't know what to do there for a while. You like it?
Yeah.
Tell me about the roller coaster.
It was fun.
What kind of fun?
It was so fast.
What kind of face did you make?
And I did.
Do your, yeah. How fast did it go? How many miles per hour? Did it go 1,000 miles per hour
Yeah.
or 10,000 miles per hour?
10.
10,000? Wow. So you enjoyed your first roller coaster ride?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, let's go see Mom.
The end, or you might be watching from the floor.
Can you smile? Oh gosh.
Sit until your teacup comes to a stop, then walk to the nearest exit. Bye-bye.
Waiting on the parade. It's our first time seeing the Starlight Parade.
Are you excited? Yeah. Noah, you excited? You excited? Who is it?
But yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses and all the glory almost changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.
already in the bed. You know, one time Judah and Sayla played hide and seek with Peter Pan in here. Hey, drama behind him.
Father, Father, I'm
Holy, a train ride through the stars with all our friends.
It's like we're on a shooting star! There's so many stars to wish upon tonight!
Go on, everybody. Wish upon a star.
Get in and take it. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Yes. This is a date night.
It's the end of the night, and the park is actually closed. It's supposed to close at 10. It's like 10:45 right now, but we got popcorn, mixed popcorn. Noah is asleep, so we're just taking in the sights and sounds.
This is the date part.
And all right, we're out. Yeah.
I love it with the bunny.